Good morning students. Today we are going to start exercise 11.3. But before starting the questions, let us first tell you about total surface area. Area is the region occupied by an object, and when we talk of total surface area, what is it? See, this is a shape of a cuboid. This box is a cuboid shape box. Now, total surface area means area of all the faces. Okay. Now see, of this box, this part is length, this is breadth, and this is height. Okay. This is height, this is length, and this is breadth. Let me write also. This is length, this part is breadth, this one, and this you can call height. कितनी ऊंचाई है बॉक्स की. Now, when you want to find area of this part, is it clear? So length into this, and this is called h, length into height. So here also the back part of this, just opposite through this, length into height. Now coming to this top area, this is length, this is breadth, so length into breadth, and bottom of this will also be length into breadth. Okay. Now these side portions, if I talk of these side portions, so this is part is height into breadth. So here also same height into breadth you will take. But I want to state 2 times length into breadth, breadth into height, and height into length. So total surface area of cuboid, okay, total surface area of cuboid, you may see your room, you may see your book, geometry box, almirah, these all are cuboid shape. I have taken this small, this is a cuboid. Okay. Now see this, length, height, so here also length into height, this part, this part, this is breadth into height, here also breadth into height, and the upper surface length into breadth, and bottom will be length into breadth. So our formula 2 times all the things, so length into breadth, breadth into height, and height into length. When we will add all these 2 times, so 2 I have taken common, so this will be the total surface area of cuboid. Is it clear? Now comes total surface area of cube. In cube, it is all the parts are of square shape. Now see this, a small object, cube shape. Okay. Now this is square, so length or length, breadth, height all are same. So you can say, what is the area of square? Side into side. So length into length, backward also, here these parts also. So how many faces a cuboid has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 6 faces, and 6 times same. In this all are equal. If I take in place of B also L, so L into L, L square, L into L, L square, L into L, L square, you will get 3L square, and 2 is outside, 3 2 just 6L square. So same cube or cuboid का formula same है, only the difference is now in place of breadth and height also you may write LL. So you will get 3 2 into 3L square, L square, L square, L square, 3L square, so it comes to be 6L square. So in case of cuboid, you have to just find square of the length and multiply by 6. In case of cuboid, what is the formula? 2 into length, breadth, breadth, height, and height, length. So today we will be doing only these two formulas. Now I will start question number first. In question number first, two objects are given. These two figures are given, length, breadth, height. So cuboid, and this is cube shape. All are of 50 centimeter length, breadth and height. And they want to know which require less amount of material to make. To make all, we will make all the faces. So we have to calculate total surface area. So total surface area of cuboid. You want to find of cuboid, and the formula you know now, length into breadth into height, and height into length. So when you will write the values, length is 60 into 40, okay, plus 40 into 50 plus 50 into 60. Now solve. 6 4s are 24 and 2 zeros, okay, plus 4 5s are 20, 2 zeros, plus 6 5s are 30 and 2 zeros. On adding 2 into 7 4 0 0. Now when you will multiply, 4 2s are 8, 7 2s are 14 centimeter square. Now same way, total TSA means total surface area of cube. We know the formula is 6L square. So 6 into L is 50. Now 5 5s are 25 and 2 zeros, 15 to 50. So on calculating, 6 5s are 30, 14 15,000 centimeter square. Now see which requires less material, this. So we will write figure A requires less material. Is it clear? Just we have to find out the total surface area of cube and cuboid. Now in question number second, a suitcase with measure 80 centimeter, 48, 24 centimeter. These are the measurements of the suitcase, is to be covered with tarpaulin cloth. Now you know, ऐसा ही suitcase suppose है cuboid shape, और इसके सारे parts जो हैं that we have to cover with cloth. Now we have to calculate means total surface area. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter. बेटा किसी भी चीज को कवर करते हैं, क्लोथ की भी अपनी क्या होगी, एक विड्थ होगी, चौड़ाई होगी, जिससे हम किसी चीज को रैप करेंगे. रैपिंग पेपर से भी आप करते हैं, तो वो 96 सेंटीमीटर है. एंड वी हैव टू कवर 100 सच सूटकेसेस. पहले हम टोटल सरफेस एरिया निकालेंगे ऑफ वन सूटकेस. व्हेन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, वी विल गेट total surface area of 100 suitcases. Then एक 1 मीटर कोई 96 सेंटीमीटर एक ही टाइम में रैपिंग पेपर, जैसे आप किसी चीज को रैप करते हो तो वो फोल्ड कर देगा. सो इट विल कवर. तो डिवाइड करेंगे 96 सेंटीमीटर से, वी विल गेट हाउ मेनी मीटर्स ऑफ क्लोथ इज रिक्वायर्ड. सो दीज आर द dimensions I have written: length, breadth, height of suitcase. Now total TSA means total surface area of suitcase, you know, to length, breadth, height, length. Okay, so on writing the measurements, 80 into 48 plus, you may put brackets also, 48, this means first you will multiply then add, plus 24 into 80. So on we will get multiplying 3840 plus 1152 plus 1920, and on adding we get 6912. So on multiplying, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 13, 13824 centimeter. Always area is in centimeter square. Now total surface area of 100 suitcases. हमने 100 suitcases cover करने हैं, so we will multiply by this by 100 and you will get this centimeter square. Now width of cloth. Now cloth required, you may write width of cloth is given to be 96 centimeter. Therefore cloth required is equal to, we will divide it by 96. So on dividing by 96 you will get 14400 centimeter. By this is centimeter square and this is centimeter. 1 centimeter will cancel, centimeter square मतलब होता है centimeter into centimeter, एक cancel हो गया. This much centimeter of cloth will be required, and for easy you may convert it into meter. 100 से divide करोगे, 20 cancel, so we may write 144 meter cloth is required. In question number 3, total surface area of cube is given and we have to find side. So just you will write TSA of cube is equal to 600 centimeter square. Now what is the formula for total surface area? 6L square is equal to 600 centimeter square. We have to find L. So when transpose this 6, divide हो जाएगा, you will get 100. L is equal to, ये square वहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, under root 100. So what is square root of 100? 10. So L, that is length of our side of cube, is 10 centimeter. So today you will do these 3 sums only of exercise 11.3. That's all. Thank you.